be the new engine. He must be a friend with the Diesels. Yes, but we better be careful. I saw them at the yards with Harry and Bert. They were laughing together. I'm not talking to you. Did you hear that Neville was going to biff into all the steamy? But I only said that I saw Neville with Harry and Bert. Cinders and ashes! Neville's heading for the broken bridge! I must stop him!